Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. We're going to take a good look at a boat today. This here's a 2021 Monterey 295 Sport Yacht in that beautiful black color. Notice the tower on this boat, or the arch I should say. It's an electric arch, electrically folds down. Very nice, very convenient, especially if you're on a lake with low bridges. Huge swim platform in the back of the boat. You've got a beautiful chase lounge. We're going to look at that in just a minute. As you work your way forward, again, that black hull looks really, really sharp. Notice how the fenders have the Fender Pros right in the side of the boat. You also have a bow sun pad, walk-through windshield, windlass anchor up front, your spotlight up front, pull-out cleats with that Monterey badging, nice Bomar hatch, windshield wiper up front, a good-looking overall setup. I mentioned the lounge in the back of the boat. You can flip the sun pad or the backrest forward and make this huge sun island. Or you can flip it up just a little ways and have a nice chase lounge. Makes for a great entertaining area right here on the transom. As you step inside the boat, you're going to notice convenient features like your fuel fill and water fill, transom shower, nice solid door. You've got a 110 outlet underneath there as well. Storage underneath the wet bar. The wet bar here does include a refrigerator, which is very nice. The beautiful lounge chase here, and look at the upholstery work they do. And that beautiful diamond stitch, use of colors are very, very nice. C-deck flooring, I did not mention that yet. And then you've got the nice U-shaped lounge here in the back. There's also a table that can go back here as well. As we work our way forward, the Helm seat is extremely large and comfortable. You'll see it's got a flip-up bolster. You can flip that down. You've got this huge oversized seat then with the flip-down armrest. Take a look at our dash. Very crisp and very clean. The Lumar bow thruster control is here, so it's very nice and convenient. Your spotlight controller, along with your Lenco trim tab controls, 12-volt outlet, USB, and auxiliary input are over there to raise and lower the arch right here on the dash. Very simple and easy to use gauges. 177.3 hours on the boat right now. Look at that eyebrow arch. That is really cool, the way they do that. It's all nice and stitched over. Power plant in this, I didn't go through that. The 6.2 liter 350 horse Merc Cruiser with the Bravo 3 drive. Great performing boat. Walk through windshield, I mentioned that. And then as we go inside the boat, look at the detail work. Absolutely gorgeous flooring in the boat. You work your way forward, and you've got this huge V-berth that can be made into a bed, or there's a table that can go in there as well. Work our way over to the galley. You've got, again, just beautiful cabinetry. Solid surface countertops, your refrigerator, your cooktop with the stainless surroundings, microwave storage above. Now it does have windows on the side of the boat with these little block-offs, which are very cool. Another neat thing in this boat, it's going to be hard for me to video this, but it's a really neat feature to show. The ceiling in this boat is all fiberglass lined. So super easy to wipe down and keep clean because it is all fiberglass, finished fiberglass. It also keeps the odor down inside the boat, and just exceptionally easy to keep clean. As we work our way the other way, you're going to notice the floating steps. That really makes that mid-cabin area feel very open. And as we continue back, you've got storage into which where the table is, and then you've got this beautiful big mid-cabin area where you can see the filler cushions back there as well for the dinette. Work our way over to the head compartment. Beautiful and clean. It's got the Tecna electric flush head, stainless steel sink. You can see the shower curtain here as the faucet handle can pull out. It can go up there, and you do have the ability to shower in the head compartment. And of course, before I leave the boat here, we have to look at this motor compartment. The 6.2 MPI 350 horse Merc Cruiser, exceptionally clean and just a very organized motor compartment. Batteries off to our port side here. Water tank, water heater off to the other side, off to the starboard side. But a very good looking motor compartment on this 295. Engine hours, like I mentioned, 177.3 at the time of the video, so not a lot of time on this boat at all. So that there kind of wraps up a quick video walk around to this Monterey 295 Sport Yacht. Good looking overall boat with a lot of great features. Please call, text, or email anytime with any questions or to set up a time to view. And like always, we appreciate you taking the time to view our video.